Love like you'll never be hurt is a profound and inspiring sentiment that encourages us to approach love with openness and vulnerability, as if we will never experience the pain of heartbreak. Love is a complex and multifaceted emotion that shapes our lives in countless ways, and this perspective invites us to explore the depths of love in a unique and fearless manner. To truly love as if we'll never be hurt means embracing the full spectrum of love's potential. It means loving without reservations, without the fear of rejection or betrayal. It's about giving your heart completely to someone, trusting them implicitly, and cherishing every moment without constantly worrying about what might go wrong. In many ways, this notion is akin to the idea of unconditional love. Unconditional love is a type of love that is not contingent on certain conditions or expectations. It's the kind of love that exists regardless of circumstances or imperfections. It's love in its purest, most selfless. To love like you'll never be hurt is to foster deep, meaningful connections with others. It allows us to be more authentic in our relationships. As we are not preoccupied with guarding our hearts, we communicate openly and honestly, sharing our thoughts, feelings, and vulnerabilities without reservation. In romantic relationships, loving as if you'll never be hurt can be transformative. It allows for a level of intimacy and trust that is often elusive when we're constantly worried about potential heartbreak. It means giving your partner the gift of your love fully and without hesitation. It's the belief that the love you share is worth any risks or challenges. This perspective also extends to our relationships with family and friends. When we love unconditionally and without fear of being hurt, we strengthen our bonds. We become more compassionate, forgiving, and understanding. We are more willing to work through difficulties and differences because the love we offer is steadfast and unyielding. However, it's essential to acknowledge that loving like you'll never be hurt doesn't mean that you will never experience pain or disappointment. The reality of life is that love can still lead to heartache, and no one is immune to it. People change, circumstances shift, and life can be unpredictable. But this perspective encourages us to accept the inherent risks of love and still choose to love with an open heart. Moreover, loving like you'll never be hurt is a reflection of our own growth and resilience. It teaches us to cope with heartbreak in a healthy and constructive way. When love doesn't work out as we had hoped, we can learn from the experience, grow stronger, and continue to love with the same unwavering spirit. In summary, love like you'll never be hurt is a philosophy that invites us to approach love with courage and authenticity. It encourages us to be vulnerable, to trust, and to give our love unconditionally. It is a reminder that love, even when it comes with the risk of pain, is one of life's most beautiful and rewarding experiences. It challenges us to embrace love with all our hearts and cherish the moments it brings. Knowing that the love we give and receive is worth every joy and every tear